Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So today in this class, first of all I will discuss with you answers of the assignment given on 5th June 2020, and after that I will start your lesson number 11, which is time. And I have skipped lesson number 10 because I have not taught you lesson number 8, which is shapes and patterns. And shapes and patterns, and the lesson number 10, which is perimeter and area, I will teach it later on because both are related to each other. So now I will start your lesson number 11. So first of all, let us go through the answers of the assignment given on 5th June 2020. So the first question was add or subtract. So 12 liter 175 milliliter plus 14 liter 875 milliliter. So first of all, we will arrange the measures in their column, and after that we will add. And after adding, the answer is 27 liter 50 milliliter. Next, 72 liter 250 milliliter minus 54 liter 725 milliliter. So here also, first of all, we will arrange the measures in their columns, and after that we will subtract. So after subtracting, the answer is 17 liter 525 milliliter. The next question is, the petrol tank of a car had 32 liter 455 milliliter of petrol. It consumed 18 liter 300 milliliter in a trip. So how much petrol was left in the tank after the trip? So amount of petrol in the petrol tank of a car was 32 liter 455 milliliter, and the amount of petrol consumed was 18 liter 300 milliliter. So we have to find the amount of petrol left in the tank. So petrol left in the tank will be 32 liter 455 milliliter minus 18 liter 300 milliliter. So after subtracting, the answer is 14 liter 155 milliliter, means the amount of petrol left in the tank is 14 liter 155 milliliter. Next, question number 3. In a party, 3 liter 450 milliliter of orange juice and 9 liter 320 milliliter of mango juice was used. So how much juice was used in all? So the amount of orange juice is equal to 3 liter 450 milliliter, and the amount of mango juice is 9 liter 320 milliliter. So the amount of juice used will be 3 liter 450 milliliter plus 9 liter 320 milliliter. So after adding, the answer is 12 liter 770 milliliter, means the amount of juice used is 12 liter 770 milliliter. Now I will start your lesson number 11, that is time. So here I have drawn one clock, and I have denoted the minute hand, the hour hand, and the second hand. So first I will discuss about hour hand. So the small hand is called the hour hand. It moves from one number to the next in 1 hour. Thus it moves round the dial completely once in 12 hours. So it moves round the dial twice in 1 day. So 1 day equal to 24 hours. Next, I will discuss about minute hand. So the long hand is called the minute hand. It moves round the dial completely once in an hour, and it passes through 60 small divisions in 1 hour. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to go from one number to the next. And next is the second hand. The third hand is usually long and the thin and moves very fast. Each jerk made by this hand marks the passing of 1 second. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So hence the second is a smaller unit of time. Observe one wall clock present at your home, then you will understand all this term very nicely. Next, I will discuss with you reading time to the exact minute. So look at the time shown by this clock. So here the minute hand is on 23. So 4 it is 20, then after that 21, after that 22, 23. So the minute hand is on 23. So the time is 23 minutes past 5. Again in the next clock, the minute hand is on 47. Means on 9 it is 45. Next on next line it is 46. On the next line it is 47. So the minute hand is on 47. So the time is 47 minutes past 10, or you can say 13 minutes to 11. Next, in a third clock, the minute hand is on 53. So on 10 it is 50, after that 51, 52, 53. So the time is 53 minutes past 2, or 7 minutes to 3. So next I will discuss the use of AM and PM. So first, 12 hours from midnight to midday. So the time period between 12 o'clock midnight to the 12 o'clock noon is called the antemeridian, or we usually say as AM. For example, 8:30 in the morning, we usually say it as 8:30 AM, or 4:45 in the morning, which is 4:45 AM. So the time period between 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon is called the AM or antemeridian. So while writing the time between 12 o'clock midnight to the 12 o'clock noon, we use AM. Next, 12 hours from midday to midnight. So the time period between 12 o'clock midday to 12 o'clock midnight is called the post meridian or PM. For example, 9:45 in the evening is 9:45 PM, and 1 in the afternoon is 1 PM. So while writing the times between 12 o'clock midday to the 12 o'clock midnight, we use the term PM, which denotes the time period between 12 o'clock midday to 12 o'clock midnight. So if it is 10 in the evening, then we write as 10 PM. Or if it is 8 in the evening, we write it as 8 PM. Or if it is 5 in the evening, we write it as 5 PM. So here is an important point. We do not attach AM or PM to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock at midnight is written as 12 midnight, and 12 o'clock at noon is written as 12 noon. So here is the end of today's class. Now pause the video, note down all the important points, and write down the questions in your school copy. And while writing in your copies, please use blue ink pen or blue gel pen. This is important. Again I am saying, please use blue ink pen or blue gel pen. And don't forget to comment your name, roll number, class and section in the comment section. Thank you very much.